Today, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing tool that makes building video call applications incredibly simple. Meet ZEGOCLOUD. One of the standout features of ZEGOCLOUD is its UI kits. These allow you to build high-quality video call applications with minimal coding effort. With pre-built UI components, seamless integration, and robust performance, you can create a video calling app in no time. To get started, simply register on ZEGOCLOUD. By signing up, you'll receive 10,000 free minutes to test and deploy your app. Let's quickly sign up. Now, let's build a video calling app using ZEGOCLOUD's Call Kit. Create a new project. There are multiple options to choose from. I will choose the voice and video call app. Write the name of your app. Here we are going to select Start with UI Kits as it's the easiest and fastest way to create app. It will take a few seconds to create an app. After that, click Start building your app. Select that it's a web application. Here we can do configurations for our app such as enabling the camera, microphone buttons, but we will leave it as is, because we need all of those features. Next, click Save and start to integrate. The app is now created, and we can preview it. Next, click Get the config file and integrate. Download the full HTML code provided. Create an index.html file in your project folder and paste the downloaded code inside it. This HTML file will contain your app ID and app sign that you'll use in your project. To run my HTML code, I will do right-click and select Open with Live Server. With this video app, we can chat with participants, share a link for others to join, choose different microphone and camera options, and even share our screen. If you're looking to build a video call app, ZEGOCLOUD's UI kits are the way to go. Sign up today, claim your free 10,000 minutes, and start building.